Okay, so I am done now and I'm ready to put it away. When you're putting away, notice how your specimen will come with 2 bags. You're going to want to keep both bags, and you're going to put the specimen into the bag and try to squeeze out as much of the air as you possibly can. Okay? So squeeze out the air as much as you possibly can, because the less air you have in there, the less it'll get dried out. And believe me, it's way harder to dissect dried out mussels than it is to dissect nice juicy ones, right? So if you do have any liquid in the bag, you know, when you first open it, try to keep it, okay? And then you're going to twist it up nice and tight, and then get a rubber band. I like to kind of double it like that and then just really tighten it. Okay, you really want to keep it nice and moist. Keep all the liquid and moisture inside of the bag. If you have any sort of material that you have removed, one thing that I like to do is take the paper towel. I like to dissect with a paper towel, and I use it to just sort of gather up all of the material, and that way I have all of that juicy fat kind of contained, and then you can just put this in the regular trash.